Hello and welcome to Shelter, Food, and Beer. I've been thinking. It's been a while since I made a cooking video. Mostly because I've been busy. My YouTube channel isn't generating enough attention or getting enough views. Probably because I'm not a celebrity. I'm not a chef. I'm not a celebrity chef. I'm just a guy cooking in his backyard. I like to cook good food. I like to have a good time. I like to drink beer and enjoy shelter, food, and beer. So today I'm going to cook this black burgundy peppercorn, already marinated for me at the store, and better yet, I got it at a 30% savings. It's reduced for a quick sale, which is a savings for one, and also, the rage is aged beef. This has been aged in the store for me. It's been sitting there long enough to where the store wants to discount it and get rid of it. It's been under their climate control, so it's guaranteed freshness. But I got this piece of meat for $8. It smells fresh. Heated up my coals, spread them out, put some hickory chips on top. I'm going to sear it, then cover it, smoke this baby. Oh my God. I give it a quick sear on one side directly in the flame. Then I'm going to turn it over and place it away from the flame. So I'm cooking this tri-tip pretty slow. Really still very rare. Indirect cooking, more smoke that way. Like to turn it around, move it, look at it every 15 minutes. It's a waiting game. You want to hit it right, you don't want it too rare. Gonna use this for sandwich meat. Probably pull this off at 150, 155. Whoo! Slowly but surely this beauty got to 150 degrees. Still looks nice and juicy. What do you think? Oh, the smoke! We'll take this inside, lightly foil it, and let it rest for a while. So tender, almost like a tenderloin or a pork loin. Beautiful smoke flavor in that pepper, black pepper. Really is a beautiful piece of meat. For dinner tonight, I'll be having a nice green salad. Add a little vegan blue cheese dressing. It's pretty damn good. This is garlic cheese bread with butter, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and paprika. I'm going to top that bread with some beautiful tri-tip. And thanks for watching Shelter, Food, and Beer. Excuse me while I eat. I'm a hungry boy. Thirsty too. Honey? Can you give me another beer? By the way, this meat, this marinade, $8. So worth it.